بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أجمعين. اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني بما ينفعني وزدني علما إنك العليم الحكيم. اللهم أخرجنا من ظلمات الوهم وأكرمنا بنور الفهم وافتح علينا بمعرفة العلم وسهل أخلاقنا بالحلم آمين وأجمعين. اللهم ارزقني نعمة الإخلاص لوجهك الكريم بكل ما أقول وبكل ما أفعل آمين يا رب العالمين. I will continue with the chest imaging made easy course, lecture 6 part 1, and I will talk about the dominant abnormal pulmonary patterns. I will discuss these patterns and each pattern in one lecture. As we see here, the dominant pulmonary patterns are mass, consolidation, interstitium, either linear or nodular or reticular nodular, vascular, any airway, either bronchial or bronchiolar, small airway. Atelectasis, as said here, it is not a true pattern, but it is mimic consolidation and obstructive atelectasis. The only structure visible in the normal lungs are fissure and main bronchopulmonary vessels. Any other structures visible are likely abnormal. It should be kept in mind that the finding here based approach and not actual pathology and underlines the finding. For example, a mass finding is not always a mass, but abnormal vessels, AVM, rounded atelectasis or pneumonia or aberrant vessel may resemble a mass that represent vasculature or other process. In each pattern mentioned above, I will discuss the main pattern, mechanism of the pattern, features, texture and distribution, and general differential diagnosis and specific differential diagnosis based on the general differential diagnosis, associated finding on the images, and all the clinical information. So this lecture is very important to know the basic of the lung patterns we will discuss. Thank you for listening and hoping to see you soon. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.